Hello, future travelers. Welcome back to Legalopolis. Friends, have you ever wondered why your B1 or B2 visa might be denied, costing you hundreds of dollars in non refundable fee? Join us as we uncover the top 3 reasons for visa denials and provide you essential tips to avoid these pitfalls, saving you both money and frustration. Friends, the US Immigration and Nationality Act, that is INA, outlines the types of visas available and the requirements to be fulfilled to be eligible for them. It also lists specific reasons as to why an applicant might be ineligible. You also know that when you apply for a US visa, after submitting DS 160, a consular officer at US Embassy or Consulate reviews your application by conducting an interview. If you meet all the requirements, you'll be issued a B1 or a B2 visa. However, if you are found ineligible, your application will be denied. You'll be informed of the reason for denial based on specific US laws. And so, without any further delay, let's look at the 3 most common reasons which could lead to visa denials. Reason number 1: incomplete, incorrect, or falsified DS 160 form. One of the most common reasons for B1 B2 visa denials is a problem with a DS 160 form. This online application form is a crucial step in the visa application process. It could be possible that your DS 160 is number 1, incomplete. An incomplete application is one where the applicant hasn't provided all necessary information or documentation, and on those grounds, your visa can be denied under Section 221G of INA. Or it could be that you applied for an incorrect visa. If you applied for the wrong visa, then your visa will be denied on the grounds that the applicant doesn't meet the requirements for the specific visa category under Section 214B of INA. And thirdly, if the applicant submits falsified DS 160 form, which is normally considered as fraud or misrepresentation in the application process. This means that even though the applicant has completely filled the form, they have concealed important information like previous criminal convictions or court proceedings against them, or public charge, or previous case of overstaying beyond the authorized period in the United States. Then in those situations, their visa can be denied under Section 212A of the INA. And so friends, in order to avoid visa denials on these grounds, remember, number 1, to fill DS 160 carefully. Number 2, always ensure that all information is correct, accurate, complete, and matches with your authentic original supporting documents. Always carry supporting documents to your visa interview just in case they might be needed to support your case. Remember to always be honest in all your answers. Even though visa officers focus mainly on the interview, carrying all relevant documents can help substantiate your case as and when the need arises. Number 4, review DS 160 thoroughly before submitting. And number 5, do have a look at my detailed video on how to fill DS 160 form and the essential documents you'll need to complete it successfully. Friends, these videos are packed with tips and insights that can make a real difference in your visa application process. Do check them out. Then we move on to reason number 2, and that is ambiguous or unclear purpose of visit. Friends, another common reason for B1 B2 visa denials is failing to clearly articulate the purpose of your visit. During your interview, normally the first question any visa officer is going to ask is, what is the purpose of your visit? And if your answer is vague, lacks detail, it could lead to a denial. And in order to avoid visa denial, ensure that you prepare and provide a clear and specific response about the reason for your visit. If you're traveling for vacationing or family visit or medical treatment, clearly mention the same to the visa officer and bring supporting documents. For example, if your purpose is to visit your family in the United States, then clearly mention, I want to travel to the United States to visit my son or daughter or brother or sister or parents, whatever. And remember to carry an invitation letter from your relative along with a copy of their passport and US visa. And share these documents with the visa officer only if they ask for it. If you are applying for a B1 visa for business, clearly outline the purpose as engaging in specific business activities, specifically mentioning what activities you will be engaging in, how long will you stay, or if a company is sponsoring your trip, remember to bring the relevant supporting documents with you. Friends, I've created a comprehensive video on preparing for your B1 B2 visa interview, which is full of tips and insights to help you succeed. Make sure to check it out for more specific guidance. And we move on to reason number 3, lack of strong ties to your home country. Friends, a major reason for B1 B2 visa denials is a perceived lack of strong ties to your home country. US consular officers need to be assured that you have a clear intent and genuine, compelling reasons to return to your home country after your visit to the United States. Failure to demonstrate these strong ties can lead to visa denials, even if your DS 160 form is flawless. You don't have any criminal history and you have a well articulated reason for your visit. And therefore, in order to avoid these pitfalls, you must provide compelling evidence of your connections and commitments in your home country. This can include proof of stable employment or business ownership, which shows your economic and professional ties and responsibilities in your home country. Additionally, present documentation of family relationships such as marriage, birth certificates, just to highlight your personal ties. Evidence of property ownership, financial stability through bank statements or investment accounts, and community involvement can further reinforce your intent to return to your home country. Including return travel plans or a history of timely returns from previous travels to the United States can also be of help in your case. By thoroughly documenting these reasons, you can effectively demonstrate strong ties to your home country and improve your chances of obtaining a US visa the first time you go for your interview. So friends, I hope this video has helped you understand the 3 most common reasons for B1, B2 visa denial, that is incorrect documentation, an unclear purpose of visit, and insufficient ties to your home country. By addressing these issues effectively, you can significantly boost your chances of visa approval. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more helpful immigration insights. I wish you all the very best with your upcoming visa journey and hope your application is met with success. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels!